Welcome back. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has assured 24/7 water supply in Goa by 2017-18. He was speaking at 12th International Conference on Water Security on Sustainable Basis. He also said that new district hospital in Madgaon would get 2 separate water pipelines.
We will do 24/7 water supply in Goa. That is our declaration for year 2017-2018. In the new hospital, Madgaon, I am trying to change the concept into a 2 separate lines. One for line which will use water of which is not for drinking, and the other line which may require the potable water. You can recycle this water because slowly you will find problems where rains are infrequent of clean drinking water, and the full security, water security itself is basically a problem. I cannot lose a single drop. And the oil is very expensive. You lose 45% of water. I think that is one of the major areas where sustainability can be important, and we might have not to ask the question, what will you do if there are last few drops of water left?
Director of Transport will soon form Village Road Safety and Traffic Monitoring Committee and Municipal Road Safety and Traffic Committees. Director of Transport Arun Desai informed that there will be public awareness about these committees during the Road Safety Week. Second State Road Safety Week will be held from 3rd September to 8th September.
The committee will consist of MLAs, retired government servants, retired police officers and teachers.
By 31st of December 2012, all the bus stops in the state of Goa will be notified with proper signages. So the committee will be assisting in identifying the bus stops. They would also be looking into the parking problems of their respective village. A particular disa which will be well published and well propaganded. On one particular day, the whole traffic of Goa will be halted for 10 minutes to think about road safety. As I said, there would be around 2,500 people who will be trained on road safety. A 5-minute informative lecture will be given to them, basically highlighting the statistics.
Senior video journalist Tulshidas Chari for Prudent Media.
Congress has approached the Governor of Goa to give justice to the candidates recruited by the Congress-led government. Delegation led by State Congress President Subhash Shirodkar, MLA Alex Regional Lawrence and other Congress leaders met Governor Bharat Veerwanju on Friday and submitted a memorandum. Congress claims that around 526 candidates have been denied jobs by the present government.
स्पेशली माइन्स डिपार्टमेंटाचे, एड्युकेशन डिपार्टमेंटाचे आणि एनिमल हजबंड्रीचे यांचे एक रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह घेऊन आम्ही आज आमचो एक्सिलन्सी गव्हर्नराक आज मेळ्ळे आमी आणि पार्टी प्रेसिडेंटान श्री सुभाष शिरोडकरान ताका आज एक मेमोरंडम सबमीट केलेलो आसा ह्या विशयाचेर आणि त्याच बरोबर पार्टी प्रेसिडेंटान गव्हर्नराक फूल डिटेलान ब्रीफ केलें की हे जे आयचे युवा पिढी आसा, जे भुरगे आनी तशें चेडवां हेंचेर जो अन्याय जाल्लो आसा आयज हे जॉब्सांक लागून जे लिगली हेंचो जो प्रोसेस जाल्लो आसा आनी हो गव्हर्मेंट येयल्या उपरांत आतां 6 म्हयने जाले अजून पर्यंत हांकां जे जॉब्स दिल्ले आसा, जे कामाक लागलेले आसलेले भुरगे स्पेशली फ्रॉम एनिमल हजबंड्रीचे हेंचेर जो अन्याय जाला हेचे बद्दल सगळे डिटेलान ताका एक्सप्लेन केले.
Sudeep Tamarkar accused that Chief Minister is trying to protect someone involved in Karvi tragedy as no inquiry has been done in the matter. He criticized Parrikar for taking political mileage on this sensitive issue during the assembly election. Following the Karvi bus tragedy, Parrikar had promised Aldonkars that he would construct the Karvi-Karona bridge within 8 months if his government comes to power. 5 months have passed, but the soil testing and land acquisition process for the bridge is still not complete.
आज पर्यंत सरकाराक तो एक्सिडेंट कित्याक घडलो हेचे उघड करूंक शकूंक ना आज पर्यंत सरकार. पण माझो स्पष्टपणान आरोप आहे, हांवें RTI अंतर्गत सुद्धा सगळे घेतलेले हा पेपर, हेच्या पयलीं हांवें तो रिपोर्ट ओपन केला, पण स्पष्टपणान खंय तरी मुख्यमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकर कोणाक तरी ह्या प्रकरणान वाचोवपाचो प्रयत्न करता, जाहीर आरोप करता हांगासर. त्या टायमार एक्सिडंट ज्या टायमार जालो खंय तरी 4 भुरग्यांचे त्या प्रकरणान तेन्ना जीव गेल्लेले, म्हणून हेचो मोठो राजकीय फायदो असो थंय घेतलो. आपूण 8 म्हयन्यान पूल बांदता म्हणून मुख्यमंत्री मनोहर सांगपी, आतां पूल पर्रीकर सांगपी, आयज पूल खंय गेलो कांयच कळना.
Video journalist Sushant Paul and Kishore Naik for Prudent Media.
Fish vendors of Madgaon took out morcha to Madgaon municipality on Friday. They have condemned the actions of city chairperson. Vendors question as to why the process to shift them to PDA has not yet started. Pratima Kutino says chairperson has moved out of the station without handing over the charge.
Fish vendors were recently removed from the old fish market. Later, the South Goa Planning and Development Authority said that stalls will be allotted to them in the PDA market after Madgaon municipality finalizes the list of genuine fish vendors. But the issue has not yet been resolved. Fish vendors carried caricature of chairperson of Madgaon along with them. They were supported by social activist Camilo Barreto.
चेअरपर्सनान दार बंद आहा, सो आमकां कसो मेळना जालो. सो आमकां आतां आमी CEO मेळपा आयले, बाबा तो चेअरपर्सनाक कित्याक लागून दार बंद म्हणून. जेन्ना आमकां तेणें एश्युरन्स दिलें की आमकां एक्सपिडियंट अलॉट करतले म्हणून, आमकां विजयान प्रॉमीस केलां की आमकां एक्सपिडियंट उणें 30 झाडांक दिता म्हणून. आमी तेन्ना पासून आमकां हे लोक हे आपले नातवांक जावं भुरग्यांक हे पोसता, सो तेंचेर एक विचार करचो आनी तांकां थोडे दीस दिवपाक लागून आमी तांकां आयिल्ले.
The chairperson was out of station. Later, the fish vendors met Deputy Chairperson Pratima Kutino. Pratima claimed that chairperson has gone on tour without handing over the charge to his deputy. She assured them to take up the issue with Chief Officer of Madgaon.
खरेंच पळयलां अजून एनक्रोचमेंट आसा, अजून खंयचे सेटिंग चलना आनी ते मनशां थंय बशिल्ले आसता आनी ह्या गोंयकारा बायलांक न्ही पोटार पांय दवरला, सेटल कर म्हणल्यार ते सेटल देखून करपाचें अजून कांय जावना. आतां तो टुराक गेल्लो आसा, कायद्यान पळोवपाक गेल्यार जेन्ना चेअरपर्सन आसना तेन्ना चेअरपर्सनान वायस चेअरपर्सनाक चार्ज दिवपाचो आसता आनी तो चार्ज ऑफिशियली DMA कडेन सांगून दिवपाचो आसता, और एटलिस्ट एक फोनाचेर पूण सांगपाचें. पूण म्हाका ही हॅज नॉट लेट मी नोन एनीथींग. It is shame, it is a pity that I am feeling so sorry to say this, that our chairperson, I think he doesn't know his rights and duties.
Reporter Samir Bhatt from Madgaon for Prudent Media.
Workshop on biomedical waste management and handling was held at Library Auditorium of GMC on Friday. The workshop was organized by Goa State Council for Science and Technology in collaboration with CPR Environment Education Center of Chennai, GMC and Ministry of Environment and Forest.
Health Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar, Environment Minister Alina Saldana, MLA Vishnu Vag and other dignitaries were present for the inaugural function. Health Minister stated that all the biomedical waste is not harmful and hence there is a need to segregate the harmful waste at the initial stage.
Not all waste material generated from hospitals or healthcare centers is dangerous or harmful. It is estimated that about 10 to 15% of it is only toxic or harmful. Rest 85% or 90% is not that harmful. We all need to take care to see that this 10 or 15% of the material which is dangerous and harmful is segregated at the initial stage only.
Environment Minister stressed on the need to create awareness among the people and practicing doctors on the usage of proper technology for biomedical waste disposal.
And therefore there is an urgent need to create an optimal awareness with adequate technical and professional guidance on the usage of appropriate scientific approaches on the disposal of biomedical waste.
However, the government's Lone Medical College is facing serious problem of biomedical waste disposal since long time. The people visiting the Goa Medical College have time and again raised fear of health hazards. Our video journalists Tulsidas Chari and Dinesh Karpe for Prudent Media.
News from sports after a short break. Stay tuned.